Hey guys, so I just got home. Traffic was insane, but I just finished a tour at the Gateway Apartments in Henderson, and it's on Boulder. It's actually about a 2-minute drive away from the Park on Boulder Apartments that I just did. They are so freaking nice, you guys. You just have to make 2.5, which I was blown away because I would say every new construction, they like to do like 3 times the rent. But they are 2.5, so I was pretty happy with that. Very happy with that. And I absolutely appreciate Damien and Tiffany for just inviting me over and checking them out and stuff. I really do appreciate you guys. Because of you guys, I get to do what I love and go to apartments and vlog and stuff like that. And I really do appreciate you guys for just supporting my channel. And I always enjoy seeing like the OGs on my comment section. I really appreciate yous and the new subscribers. So I'm excited for what the future is. But let's go home to Mr. Googie's. Hey guys, so I'm cooking some noodles for Mr. Richard. He likes this brand. He likes it with vegetables. We don't have eggs, so he's like, don't worry about it. I've been on my juicing diet, which I freaking love. I've lost now 12 pounds. I've lost 12 pounds, so super proud of myself and happy. I will say that the juice journey has definitely been kind of like a spiritual awakening kind of thing. Not to get into that, but it really has, because it's discipline, right? It's discipline of not eating food and whatnot. So yeah, it was hard for me at the early stages. I felt like I was like, oh, I need to eat. I need to eat now. And now I can look at food and not feel like I have to. You know what I mean? I have my juice. That juice sustains me. This is the juice that I have. This one has celery, cucumber, apple, lemon. I forgot to put the ginger. I still have the ginger up there, so my next batch is gonna have ginger. But that was it. That was pretty much it. I love it. Tastes good. I have literally 52 bottles of these plastics. I got it from Temu because I was like, Amazon was too expensive. I got it from Temu and they're good bottles. So cheers, biggies. But yeah, no, it's really delicious. Richard's mom is in El Salvador. That is where she's from. And she left this morning and she got there about 2 hours ago. I didn't think that it was going to be that quick because I always thought El Salvador was a little bit further away, but it is Central America. It's right next to Mexico, so, but yeah, one day me and Richard want to go because it looks pretty nice. And they have this rainbow slide that I want to go to and eat pupusas. You have no idea. Apparently pupusas are so cheap over there, so super cheap. So I'm probably gonna try and eat as much pupusas as I can. By the time I go there, hopefully my system is much better. I'm allergic to gluten. I hate that because I love food. I love chocolate. I love candy. I love pizza. I love all this stuff. I love noodles. Damn you. But I can't. I have an effed up system. I don't know why. Also, can we just talk about how quick this freaking year has gone? October is next month, you guys. That to me is insane. Absolutely insane that next month is October. And then when November 1st happens, we've been in this apartment for 1 year now. And I'm like, I swear I felt like this year went a little bit too fast, but insane, absolutely insane. All right, his soup is almost ready. I'm excited. We're gonna watch K-Pax. I don't know if you guys know about that movie, but it's really good. I watched it when I was 12. Loved it. If you haven't watched it, it's on Netflix, just in case. But yeah, we're gonna watch it. He's off the shower, so I'm gonna get his little lunch ready, and then we can go chill. Thanks for hanging with me while I cook. Guys, so we're heading off to see The Conjuring. This is the first time that we've ever been in this casino, and I guess the cinemas are upstairs. So, let's go. Okay guys, so this company GLORYAIR sent me this 6-liter humidifier to review. It is perfect for bedrooms, large rooms, and a whole home. This quiet top-filled humidifier offers both cool and warm mist, smart humidity control, and comes with a remote for easy use. It also features 7 soothing nightlight colors and a built-in humidistat, and doubles as an essential oil diffuser, great for plants, babies, and everyday comfort. So it is fast and effective. It has a powerful mist output. It covers room up to 750 square feet. The 6-liter tank and the 360-degree nozzle give you up to 48 hours of continuous use. Perfect again for bedrooms, plants, and even nurseries. You guys can control it with a touch or with the remote. You can choose from 3 mist levels, and you can set your target humidity and even schedule it with a built-in timer for up to 24 hours. Alright guys, so it also has a sleep mode with a whisper quiet of 35 decibels. It won't disturb your rest. You'll enjoy soothing night lights and the option to add essential oils for calming aromatherapy. In sleep mode, all lights turn off automatically. With this humidifier, it is safe and convenient. It shuts off when the water runs out and protects against overheating. The top-fill design makes refilling simple and mess-free. Plus, it's backed up by 1-year warranty. I just want to say thank you to GLORYAIR for sending me this to review. I actually needed this, you guys. Richard is actually sick right now, and this has been a huge help with his breathing. Right now, he is super congested, and this has helped so much with a little bit of tea tree oil, and yeah, just having it next to him. He loves it. The room is fresh and it's super moist, but not over moist, which I like. But yeah, living in Las Vegas, it can get super dry, you guys. So having one of these in your house, in your apartment, is a must. All links will be down below, you guys, if you want to get your own. But again, I just want to say thank you to GLORYAIR for sending me my humidifier. I absolutely love it, and again, I needed it, so it came at the right time. This is such a cute kitchen. We got bundles. So cute. Ooh, what a shower. Right? Do you see the flooring?
Look at the little bedroom.
The pipe. Ooh. Wow. Decent rooms. Super cute, huh? That the laundry? The laundry, and that's like the back door.
Which is actually a pretty good space for laundry with a little bit of room for storage.
Yeah, I like how they updated the kitchen though.
A little wine rack.
That is so cute. Yeah, not bad. This is a cute little home. Hey guys, so I have been so sick, like so sick. Richard got sick first, and then obviously I got it. It sucks because we're close to each other all the time, so it's inevitable that I will get sick. But yeah, I am so sick. My tonsils get so bad, full of like blisters and stuff like that, so I'm currently out of commission. But Richard has a client, so we had to come here, and he was showing her a house. So I drive, I've got some medicine in me and stuff, but I still feel like really congested. I have a headache. Blocked nose is like the worst. I freaking hate it. I haven't been sleeping well because of the blocked nose and stuff, and I don't know, it's been a really rough couple of days. My throat has been killing me, but it's finally not hurting as much. So, but of course, look, I get a freaking pimple right on my nose. I was like, I guess when it storms, it storms. I guess when it comes, it comes. Richard is probably like 2 days ahead of me, so he's feeling better, so he's taking care of me now. But yeah, I get it worse than him because of my tonsils. But he got it really bad too. But yeah, because of my tonsils and how they are, yeah, I get them pretty gross and pretty disgusting, so sucks. But it looks pretty cool with his client. The house is super cute. It's newly renovated, and it's within her budget, and I think it's super cute, and it's close to her work, so hopefully she likes it. But yeah, it's so cute. I'm so proud of Richard. I'm always so proud of him. So, but it looks like they're finishing up, so we're probably gonna head home, and I'll see you when I see you there.